Every year comes with a new array of designs, styles, and trends. Kaya naman marami sa atin ay looking forward talaga sa mga uso. Here are the trendy haircuts and styles that you should try this year. Pixie Cuts. This is definitely a terrifying style to try. But if you want to spice up your ordinary look, this is the best time to do it. 2021 is all about bold style statements, and short hair is seriously in. Low maintenance na, super easy to style pa. The Modern Mullet. The most unexpected hairstyle has returned. The mullet is making a comeback as the hairstyle of 2021. In fact, there's been a challenge called the Quarantine Mullet where people have been sharing their DIY mullet haircuts. Nakikita rin natin ang mga haircut na ito sa mga sikat na celebrities. So, if you're brave enough for an edgy style, you should probably try this look. Smoked marshmallow hair. Blonde hair is super hard to maintain. Pero kung gusto mo pa ring subukan, this is the perfect trend for you. Smoked marshmallow is a combination of dark roots with blonde ends, which is pretty similar to ombre. Achieve mo na ang blonde hair that is totally on trend and low maintenance. So what better way to start the new year with a new you than having a fresh haircut, new hair color, and chic hairstyle that will set you up for 2021. Join us daily here and on our official social media accounts as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.